Out of nowhere, a squirrel sneaks into the nest, uninvited. Bold and maybe a little too confident. But it picked the wrong place and the wrong chick to mess with. Tiny wings flapping wildly, the baby eagle throws itself forward, not running, not hiding, but facing the intruder with raw, untamed courage. Because even before it can fly, a predator knows how to fight. Even being 3 weeks old, barely able to stand, when suddenly, you're forced to defend your home. This baby bald eagle was alone in the nest, still figuring out how to balance on 2 feet. It had no idea that today, survival instincts would kick in.